So guys, guess what? Phone are dead. I'm going to be taking my second dose of the vaccine. Well, different changes were made because I was supposed to take it at my school, but apparently they said we must come to Stony Hill Heart to take it. So I'm walking to Stony Hill Heart to go take the vaccine, but I'm so tired and I have errands to run, so maybe I'm bringing one with me. But my phone is at 5. Like, how am I supposed to be great when my phone is at 5? Hi. So let me turn the camera and show now. So this is Stony Hill Junior High. Does that go? I remember what name now. I don't know, so Stony Hill Junior High. And up here, so where I'm traveling to is Stony Hill Heart. You never know, so Stony Hill Alugor child. But just come through the gate, you know, them take my name, them take my temperature, them give me a little sanitizer. So now, them send me up right to the yellow sign. I just hope that this don't take all day, because I seriously do not have all day. But look nice, see? I seriously do not have whole day on the road. So, yes. I never know so the place look nice. So I'm gonna go up here, so I know video the people let me know, so I'm soon turn it up. I never know so the place big and nice. No. So I'm just signing up the form to get my second dose of the vaccine. Because I don't have any national identification currently, I'm using my birth certificate and my TRN. So you guys can use that. I don't know how the process for a person who is under the age of 18 goes, but you guys can look it up, I guess. So yeah, I'm waiting to go inside to get my second dose. So the process is fast enough. So yeah. So my form was signed up. So this is like an example of the form. Yes, and she filled out my COVID card, my COVID card, my vaccine card. Well, it's like it's time again. Well, them I tell me said like the second dose have more effect upon it. Like, couldn't understand. Last time it did kind of hurt me because my hand did squeeze up. So I'm wondering. Excuse me. That was quick. Sting me a little bit, but that was quick. So guys, now I am fully vaccinated. And I gotta take one Panadol right now because they must say to me say I need for get a Panadol. So guys, they're saying not to get the Panadol multi-symptom, get the regular one. Because they don't tell me the cause, but they tell me that. So I gotta take heed and listen, I gotta buy a Panadol right now. But I gotta do a little shopping. Even though I'm on the 2%, I do a little shopping right now. So let's go. We're gonna either go Jung or Kai Kai or one of them Chinese places there and go get some shopping done. So guys, I need a charger, I need a black blouse, I need an extension and some other things. But remind me say them something more, cause me would just go out there and remember more. The injection never too bad, but I just feel a little sting. Otherwise everything was okay. Oh guys, remember that I want 2,000. Somebody has stopped me a while ago, let them say. But they put my phone and look like I'm doing a vlog. Why not stop bothering me? Anyways, can't care about other people, you know. Anyways, what was I saying? Alright, so I'm going to 2 stores and them don't have one thing more. And with me, you know, more going to 1 store to buy everything. You see me? I not like going to 6 store buy 1 thing from each. I not like that. So I'm going to try. See if I can go in a CAK or about shit and get what I get. Yeah. So like on my phone there 1%, I don't think Mega can do the shopping vlog. But for now, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to be notified when I upload another video. So peace out guys. Get vaccinated.